G'day, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to check out a little bargain that I found, a little RC bargain. I was in the local post office and this is what I found. So that's it there, a little RC car made by Sharper Image, and they've labelled it as RC Action Vehicle Turbo Drifter. So in other words, it's supposed to drift. It's supposed to have the back end swing out when you're going fast on a flat and shiny surface. Even gives you that little image there in the corner, as you can see. And look at the price. It was $15, but it's been reduced to $10 Australian, so that's only about $7.50 American, I think. If we have a look, that's what they're wanting it to do, and it's what they reckon it can do. It's obviously got lights on the front, and it drifts as it takes corners. So that should be fun to have a look at, see whether it actually does what it says it can do. Multi-directional operation, the features, it says, what does that say? Drift style racing action on smooth surfaces, car drives forward, backwards, left, right via wireless, street racing styling, full function multi-directional remotes to perform amazing tricks. Okay, yep, that's what she looks like. And on the back, what do we have there? So it needs 4, can you see that? Might have to get the light off that. That's a bit better. Okay, so it's got 4 AA batteries required to go in the car, and the controller requires 1 9-volt battery. Okay, adult supervision, that means I mightn't be able to play with it. Down here, instructions, just tells you how to put in the 9-volt battery in the controller, and I think that's about it. Alright, let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like out of the box. Okay, so as you can see, I've got it out of the box now. Pretty cool looking thing. I mean, it is just a kid's toy, so we're not going to expect too much out of it. But have a look all around. Looks like it's got some LED lights in the back, if you can see that. And moving around, let's have a look right around it. And obviously it's got lights in the front as well that are going to go on once we get the battery installed. Now the unusual part is underneath here. Have a look underneath. I'm going to put that down on the ground so you can see it. So this guy, not only do these wheels spin, but as you can see, it's got a tilt in this section here. And at the back here, these wheels are not connected to any motors at all. The drive is actually from this section here. So the reason why we've got that tilting, and as you can see these go up and down, is so that when you've got a car that's tilting and going to one side, the wheels on this side are going to still be able to look as if they're touching the ground, and vice versa. So whoops. So as you can see, these wheels will go down while the other wheels can stay up, and vice versa. So it just manipulates that way, even though it's being driven from underneath. Alright, let's go and have a look at the controller very quickly. And as you can see here, it's very basic. It is a kid's toy, again, let me stress that. It's just got forward and back and left and right, and then of course it's got the battery in the back, or will have the battery in the back. Operates off 27 megahertz, and you simply pull that down, pop the battery in there. I picked this up from my local post office, as I said earlier, so strange place to find an RC, but let's go see if we can have some fun with it.